Hello guys, welcome to yet another wonderful session of learning with Prepclass. My name is Tutor Olalekon Israel, your Prepclass English tutor, and I am super excited to have you join me in today's session of learning. Now in today's session, we will be answering questions from the Jamb English 2013 past question. In today's video, we will be answering question 61 to question 65. Remember, the purpose of this session is to help you prepare for your forthcoming Jamb examination. So, without wasting much time, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification so you can be notified whenever we upload any new content. Alright, let's begin. Now for questions 61 to 65, there is an instruction here. The instruction reads, in each of the questions 61 to 65, choose the option nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. In each of the questions 61 to 65, choose the option nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. Question 61 reads, I am tired of your eternal argument. I am tired of your eternal argument. The word in italics here is eternal. So we are to select the option nearest in meaning to eternal. Option A, constant. Option B, useless. Option C, open. Option D, strong. So which of these options is the nearest in meaning to eternal? What is the meaning of eternal? Now, the word eternal means lasting or existing forever. Lasting or existing forever without end. Now, constant means occurring continuously over a period of time. Occurring continuously over a period of time. Option B, useless. Useless means to be ineffective, not fulfilling or not expected to achieve the intended purpose or desired outcome. Ineffective, not fulfilling or not expected to achieve the intended purpose or desired outcome. Option C, open. Open means to be unlocked, allowing access, passage or a view through an empty space. Allowing access, passage or a view through an empty space, not closed or blocked. Option D, strong. Strong means powerful, able to withstand force, pressure or wear. Now, from these options, the nearest in meaning to eternal is option A, constant. Remember, eternal means what? Lasting or existing forever. Constant means occurring continuously over a period of time. Now, I am tired of your eternal argument. Your lasting argument, which is continuous. You are always arguing without end. Constant means occurring continuously. It is continuous over a period of time. So the answer is option A. The nearest in meaning to eternal is constant. Something that is eternal is continuous. It is not ending. Something that is constant is continuous as well. Alright. Moving on, question 62. Remember, we have to select the option nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. Question 62 reads, the lamb is a feeble little animal. The lamb is a feeble little animal. The word in italics here is feeble. So which option is the nearest in meaning to feeble? Option A, loving. Option B, weak. Option C, fat. Option D, quiet. Now, the word feeble means lacking in strength. Lacking in strength, indicating and representing weakness. So the lamb is a weak little animal. The lamb lacks strength. So the nearest in meaning to feeble is option B, weak. Weak means fragile, delicate, lacking the power to perform physically demanding tasks, having little physical strength or energy. So the nearest in meaning to feeble is weak. It is not loving. Loving means feeling or showing love or great care. It is not fat. Fat means having a large amount of excess flesh or to be large in bulk or circumference. It is not quiet. Quiet means absence of noise, making little or no noise. The nearest in meaning to feeble is weak. Feeble means lacking in strength. Weak means fragile, delicate, lacking the power to perform physically demanding tasks, having little physical strength or energy. So when you have little physical strength or energy, you are lacking in strength. So the nearest in meaning to feeble is option B, weak. The lamb is a feeble little animal. The lamb is a weak little animal. Alright, moving on, question 63. Remember, we had to select the option nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. Question 63 reads, the actress screamed when she noticed an object behind her. The actress screamed when she noticed an object behind her. The word in italics here is screamed. So which of these options is the nearest in meaning to screamed? Option A, waded in. Option B, stormed out. Option C, wailed. Option D, protested. Now, scream means to give a long, loud, piercing cry. A long, loud, piercing cry expressing extreme emotion or pain. A long, loud, piercing cry. Now, it is not waded in. Waded in or wade in means to get involved in a very determined and forceful way. To get involved in a very determined and forceful way, often without thinking enough about the consequences of their actions. It is not stormed out. To storm out means to leave or exit some place in a very angry and animated manner. Now, the answer is option C, wailed. Wailed means to make a prolonged, that is long, a prolonged high-pitched sound, loud, high-pitched sound, to cry. So the nearest in meaning to scream is wailed. It is not protested. To protest means to express an objection. To express an objection to what someone has said or done. I am not okay with this. I will protest what you have said. So the nearest in meaning to scream is wailed. The answer is option C. The actress screamed, the actress wailed when she noticed an object behind her. She gave a long, loud, piercing cry. She wailed. She screamed. Alright, moving on, question 64. Remember, we had to select the option nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. We had to select the option that is the nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. Question 64 reads, the exhibition was an eye-opener to all. The exhibition was an eye-opener to all. Now, the word that is supposed to be in italics here is exhibition. So exhibition is the word we are going to select the nearest in meaning to. So which option is the nearest in meaning to exhibition? Option A, style. Option B, examination. Option C, dispatch. Option D, display. Now, exhibition in this context means a public display of works of art. A public display, you are showing a public display of works of art. The nearest in meaning to exhibition is display. Display means what? A show of something. So the exhibition was an eye-opener to all. The display was an eye-opener to all. So the answer is option D. The nearest in meaning to exhibition is display. Alright, moving on to the next question, question 65. Remember, we had to select the option nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. Now, the phrase that is supposed to be in italics here is knows. So, as a journalist, Bala has always had a nose for stories. The word that is supposed to be in italics here is knows. So, which option is the nearest in meaning to knows? Option A, an instinct. Option B, a command. Option C, soft comment. Option D, cynical statement. So which of these options is the nearest in meaning to knows? Now, to have a nose for something. Now, in this sentence, Bala has always had a nose for stories. To have a nose for something is an idiomatic expression that means you have a natural ability to find or recognize the thing. So, Bala has a natural ability to find stories. It is a natural ability to find or recognize something. Now, the nearest in meaning to knows is instinct. An instinct is an inherent or natural tendency or ability. An inherent or natural tendency or ability to believe in a particular way. It is natural. It comes naturally. So, Bala has a nose for stories. Bala's instinct always leads him to stories. So, the nearest in meaning to knows is an instinct. Option A. As a journalist, Bala has always had a nose for stories. He has a natural tendency to identify stories. He has an instinct for identifying stories. Alright, and with that, we've come to the end of this wonderful session. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. Do not forget to drop your questions in the comment section. Also, share this content with your friends and loved ones. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.